Jada, first year's maintenance on us, okay? What that means is, well, why would we buy 2 oil changes and 2 tire rotations for you? We're not a charitable outfit, are we? No, it's a good business decision. We've got a great service department, but you don't know that. We're willing to pay you, literally, to use our service department. During that first year, we'll buy your first oil change, your second oil change, your first tire rotation, your second tire rotation. That alone is going to save you about $150. Again, why are we doing it? We're doing it because we want you to try our service department. We have a strong conviction that once you use it a couple times, you'll keep using it, okay? But $150, those dollars stay in your pocket, Jada. Cool?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now this. Jada, do you understand how the resistol appearance package works?
No. Can you explain
Okay, I'm not gonna get into the technical part of it because there is a technical part of it, believe me. I mean, there's some polymers being bonded through some scientific approach. But here's what I know. It's going to keep your car looking better longer, both the outside and the inside. Now, most people want their vehicle to look better longer, and I'm going to guess you're the same way?
Yeah.
But more importantly, most people care about money. Do you care about money?
Yes.
Here's what happens. If your vehicle looks better than everybody else's when you go to trade or sell 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years from now, if your paint's in better condition, if your interior is in better condition, you're going to get more for it whether you sell it privately or you trade it to an automobile dealer. You know, when you buy a car, price is one thing, cost of ownership is another, and resale value is another. When you combine those three, you get your total investment, okay? We're going to help you with that last one by making sure that your vehicle is worth more because of its paint and interior. Cool?
Mm-hmm.
This is how you do it. All right.
What is this one? I mean, I guess
Which
it's
one?
pretty self-explanatory.
The $500 edition?
15% off.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why I would even bring. I would let finance bring that up. Okay.